Hey everyone, so today we're answering a big question. Is Windsurf, the AI-powered code editor, free? Let's dive in and find out. Windsurf, built by Codium, is a next-gen IDE that blends AI assistance with a smooth coding experience. Think smart auto-completion, deep code-based awareness, and a feature called Cascade that works like your coding sidekick. It's built on VS Code, so it's familiar yet supercharged with AI. But the real question is, does it cost you anything? Here's the deal. Windsurf is free for the most part. The free tier gives you unlimited access to core features like AI autocomplete and editor chart and the Cascade base model. No catch, no hidden fees. Perfect for solo devs, students, or hobbyists. But if you want premium AI models like Claude 3.5 or GPT-4o, or faster performance, you'll need a paid plan. The pro tier starts at $15 a month with a student discount dropping it to $6.90. So free gets you started, but premium unlocks the full power. Why does this matter? A free, robust AI editor like Windsurf levels the playing field. You can code smarter and faster without breaking the bank, compared to the pricier options like Cursor. Windsurf's free tier is a steal, and even the paid plans are competitive. It's your call though. Stick with free or go pro for that extra edge. That's it, guys. Windsurf is free to start with premium options if you want more. Download it today at codium.com/windsurf to see. Download it today at codium.com/windsurf and see for yourself. Like and subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll see you guys next time.